What does the sacrifice of the red heifer have to do with the Mashiach? The sacrifice of the red heifer cannot be done before Mashiach comes. Anyone that tells you that they are going to do it, it's just a publicity stunt. There is no such thing as sacrifice of anything before Mashiach comes. Number one, because we are all impure. So therefore, anything that we would sacrifice would automatically become impure. Number two, in order for that sacrifice to be done, there has to be a Bet HaMikdash, and there has to be a Kohanim. Kohanim that, not just people that believe that they're Kohanim, but there has to be a Kohen Gadol, there has to be a Mashiach. So there is no such thing as sacrificing of the red heifer before Mashiach comes. Some people are saying that there's some organization that supposedly is doing one, in a near future. This is simply a publicity stunt in order to get attention, in order to go on the newspapers, in order to get some money and donations, investments, whatever they're getting. It has nothing to do with Mashiach. It has nothing to do with Torah. It's complete publicity stunt. Once Mashiach comes, then in order to purify the righteous people that survive the massive war and so on, he will use the red heifer, which the Torah tells us that it has to be slaughtered, then burned at the altar of the Bet HaMikdash. Then the ashes are combined with a couple of other things in order for them to take trickles of the water, the pure water of the kiyol, and the ashes, and that's sprinkled on each person in order to purify them. It's part of a whole process, but it's a purity that cannot be done without the Bet HaMikdash, without the Mizbeach, without the Mashiach, without prophets. None of this can be done right now. Anyone that is telling you they're doing it is either lying and they're not doing anything, or they're doing something which is actually a violation of the Torah, which is lying, cheating, being dishonest, and on top of all of it, doing a sacrifice that they're forbidden from doing, because you're not allowed to do a sacrifice without the Bet HaMikdash. So, in so many words, whoever is doing it is wicked in the eyes of Hashem, and certainly, the Torah tells you to stay away from such people.